In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add location on your Snapchat story. Adding a location to your Snapchat story enhances the context of your post by letting your friends or followers know where you are, making the story more engaging and personal. To do this, simply head to your Snapchat. Now let's say this is the post you want to share to your story. To add the location icon, simply head on to the sticker icon right here. You will see this option of location. Tap on it. You can select location from your previous destination or search for the specific location in the search bar. Your current location will get shared to your Snap story successfully. This provides a way to remember where certain experiences took place, adding a geographic layer to your digital timeline. That's how easy it is to add location to your Snapchat story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.